What's going on, everybody? This is your boy Elite Killer, and I am bringing you the unboxing of the CronusMax. Now, first, before I start and before I do the unboxing, I just want to thank everybody that donated towards the CronusMax target. It's because of you guys that I can do these videos. I wanted to do the CronusMax video basically showing the effects on games and if it really does have an unfair advantage with the scripts, what effect it's going to have on Division 2 and what effect it has currently within the community. So there's going to be a few videos that I'm going to do revolving around the CronusMax. I must say this straight away before everybody jumps into the comments and starts calling me a cheater or a hacker. I will not be using this when I'm playing the Division in terms of when I'm actually playing myself. I'll only be using this for video purposes. I won't be using it in a dark zone against other players, only against a player of my choice that I'm going to be testing it on. So one of my my friends will come in and I'll just test it on them to see what the unfair advantage is actually going to be. I'm not going to be using this in actually when I play the game. So it's just for the videos, and that's why I wanted it. So let's get it started. So I've ordered it from Amazon. It was £51, which is about $60, I believe. So it also come really quickly. It was a Prime, and it come within, like, I ordered it on the Friday and it was here on Sunday. So really quick delivery as well. So it's really smaller than I thought the box would be. So let's get rid of that packaging. So here is the CronusMax. There she is. So any controller, any console, so which is another big benefit of it. I'm going to do a video going through all the benefits and all the things that we can do with it. But basically it's quite small packaging. I thought it would be a little bit bigger. So we're just going to get this open, slide this out, and we have... So you have a little manual. Of course, no one ever reads the manuals though. I think to actually set this up, I'm going to look on YouTube. I have had a lot of help from Lombax Gaming, who sent me a few scripts. So he's been helping me out quite a lot with this video and how I can do it and what scripts to use. So with this, you are going to get a cable here, which I believe is for sound, so for the mic, so you can use your headset and etc through it. You're also going to get a mini USB, so that's to plug it into the PC, I believe. Now if I'm wrong here, guys, just let me know, because I don't really have a clue. Then you have a USB sound card, which I believe is the additional stuff. So it says it's plus a it's got like an extras pack with it. So I believe this has got the extras pack. I believe you can get it without this as well. Then you have the sound wires that also go with it. You have this little adapter, if you can see, a little USB adapter. Now that makes it so it's wirelessly for your controllers, so it's like a Bluetooth dongle. And then of course you have the CronusMax itself. Let me just get it so that it's not shining on that light. But the CronusMax itself is quite cool. It looks quite good. So I believe for the input you just slot this into there somehow. There you go. To make it wirelessly for the controller, or you can just plug your controller directly in. So yeah. So that's what you get with it, and this is £51 from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. I'm also going to link in Lombax Gaming's channel because of the amount of help he's given me and all of the support he's given me, explaining sort of what to do with the scripts, etc. I'll be doing a lot more videos on it, as I say, on different games, sort of Blackout, Call of Duty, Blackout, sorry, also on Division 2 when it comes out. I'm going to try it in the beta to hopefully there's some scripts and stuff going, so we can try it and hopefully combat any misuse before the game comes out. So I'll give the feedback back to the devs, and hopefully we can combat it. Or, you know, is it really a disadvantage for some people? I know that I've spoke to some people who said they've sort of got like disabilities where they can't really use a control pad. They've got specialist equipment for USB. So this would actually enable them to be able to use it on a PS4, or an Xbox One, say. So it is a bit of a benefit for some people, other people not. So thank you for watching the video, guys. I'm going to now set this up, have a play around with it, learn how to use it a bit, and then I'll see you in the next CronusMax video. Thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and leave any comments.